To the person who hurt me, thank you for being a challenge, because you unknowingly protected me from greater heartbreak. You tried to break my spirit, take my joy, and strip me of everything I loved, including my family and friends. But let me make it clear, you failed. You never reached the core of my heart. While you focused on tearing me down, I stayed vigilant, turning the pain into power. In the pits you threw me into, I found strength and learned the power of my praise. God became my light in the darkness, guiding me to freedom from sorrow, shame, and unworthiness. Instead of being destroyed, I rose higher than you could ever imagine. Places where your demons could never follow. While you were lost in your flaws, I tapped into courage, grace, and the kind of strength that leaves people in awe. Through the fire, I was refined like gold. The pain you caused became my greatest blessing, breaking the limits I once accepted. You didn't destroy me. You propelled me to something